Here's how to use DreamFlow AI. DreamFlow AI can be accessible on Google, Chrome, or Safari. As you can see, you can just go ahead and click on its official website. It can build apps like your from the future. As you can see, if you wanted an application or an AI that is going to build an application for you, DreamFlow is the right one. There is a trace, surfing, editing that you can use. But how are we going to see if it's possible to actually build an application? First and foremost, what you need to do is to make sure that you are going to use DreamFlow AI to a laptop or PC. This will not work if you're going to use a phone. First, click on the Click to Get Started option, where you can go ahead and put on the prompts that you wanted for the application that you're going to build. Afterwards, on the Widget 3 option, click on the Todo homepage, where you can go ahead and edit the save area. Afterwards, it will be automatically saved on the All Files option, and now you can view your app.